In-camera RAW and JPEG processing. The EOS 6D offers several options for in-camera processing of RAW images. You can shoot a RAW image, play it back on the camera's LCD monitor, and process it into a finished JPEG file right in playback mode without having to transfer it to a computer first. A new JPEG file is saved to the memory card, and the original RAW file remains completely unaffected. When reviewing a RAW image file in playback mode, press the Quick Control button. Use the multi-controller to highlight the RAW image processing icon on the left side of the screen. It says RAW JPEG. Use the top main dial or the Quick Control dial to highlight Customize RAW Processing. Press Set. You'll see that in-camera RAW processing lets you set any of 10 variables using icons right on the LCD monitor. Use the multi-controller to highlight any variable you'd like to alter. Brightness adjustment, white balance, picture style, auto lighting optimizer, high ISO noise reduction, JPEG image recording quality, color space, lens peripheral illumination correction, lens distortion correction, and lens chromatic aberration correction. Press Set to see only the options available for the highlighted variable. Or you can use the Quick Control dial to toggle through the options to make your selection. When all 10 variables are adjusted to your liking, use the multi-controller to highlight Save. Press Set. Use the multi-controller or the Quick Control dial to highlight OK. Press Set. The camera indicates the processed image name. Press Set again to return to the Quick Control menu. You have now saved a processed JPEG image file on the memory card in addition to the original RAW file. The EOS 6D also offers a function that can take an existing JPEG image and create a lower resolution copy of that image on the camera's memory card. It's a great option for quickly creating copies of select images that you may want to email to someone or upload to a website. When viewing a JPEG image in playback mode, press Q to activate the Quick Control menu. Use the multi-controller to highlight the Resize function. It's the icon on the left at the bottom. Use the top main dial or the Quick Control dial to highlight the size option you prefer. Press Set. Use the Quick Control dial to highlight OK. Press Set to save the resized image as a new file. The camera indicates the resized image name. Press Set again to return to the Quick Control menu. You've now saved a resized JPEG image on the memory card in addition to the original JPEG file. Please note that you cannot select a resolution that is the same size or larger than the original file. The time it takes to capture, process, and share images is being reduced drastically with in-camera RAW processing and JPEG resizing. It's a great way to have files ready for quick uploading to the internet, as email attachments, or even to provide to a client immediately after a shoot.